Unlocking idle machinery potential. Many manufacturers have faced this all too familiar challenge. They've got the machines, the capacity, and the willingness to produce, yet the leads to make it happen just aren't coming in. At the end of this video that you use to find some targeted leads today. Here's how honing in on your customer base can help move idle machinery back into action. I will show you some free manufacturing lead generation strategies at the end of this video that you use to find some targeted leads today. In the fast-evolving world of manufacturing, assets like machinery are pivotal, but when manufacturers have faced this all too familiar challenge, they've got the machines, the capacity, and the willingness to produce, yet the leads to make it happen just aren't coming in like you expected. By focusing on list selection and lead generation rooted in prospect lists, understanding manufacturers can dramatically improve their chances of connecting with the right prospect will be greatly increased. But if you specialize in smaller, custom production, you might narrow your list to small manufacturers in areas of specialized fabrication or areas of industrial classification like large-capacity boring mill operators or OEM car transmission with titles like plant manager or purchasing phone numbers and email addresses. Getting granular with these characteristics means fewer, better leads, and that's where the dividends start to pay off. When you get lead generation right, the benefits are clear and immediate. Your idle machinery finds work, revenue gets a healthy boost, and production flows more smoothly without interruptions. Applying this strategy to your own lead generation efforts. If you're ready to turn your idle assets into active revenue drivers, consider taking a deeper dive into your core customer data. Pinpoint the characteristics that make your best clients so valuable and look for similar prospects in your list selection. You might find that lead generation not only keeps your machines running but reshapes your entire approach to growth. Getting more from your machinery and production capabilities is a matter of strategic list selection, customer insight, and proactive lead generation. For manufacturers, it's about transforming downtime into opportunity and turning data-driven lead generation into a pathway to greater success. So, dust off that equipment and let your ideal customers know.
I wanted to show you how to look for manufacturing leads through just a simple Google query, and this is one of many ways you can look at leads. You can also leverage it through ChatGPT also, but you would just do a simple query, and this query right here has three different components. It has what we're going to do is look for manufacturers and LinkedIn. So what you do is you have to list the site, and the site is LinkedIn, and the second component would be either title or niche, which would be plant manager, which would be manufacturing, and then you have to specify the types of output that you want. We want emails to be Gmail accounts, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, and to keep on adding to this list if you'd like by just adding an or in the command. And so you just copy this and then you would paste it into the Google Chrome and then just hit enter. And this is the list that you come up with. And you just simply, you have the manufacturer's, the plant manager's, his name, his email address, and then you can click on this and get more information on LinkedIn and get more information on that particular lead.